Poland, a captivating country in Central Europe, boasts a rich history, stunning architecture, and diverse landscapes. Here's a breakdown of some of the top places to visit in Poland. Krakow, often referred to as Poland's cultural capital. Krakow is a vibrant city brimming with history and charm. Explore the well-preserved medieval Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and marvel at the iconic Wall-Royal Castle, a former seat of Polish kings. Don't miss the colorful and lively Rynek Główny, the main square. Warsaw, Poland's capital city. Warsaw underwent a remarkable reconstruction after its near destruction during World War II. Explore the meticulously restored Old Town, another UNESCO World Heritage Site, and admire the majestic Royal Castle. Pay your respects at the Warsaw Uprising Museum, which chronicles the city's courageous resistance against Nazi occupation. Wrocław. This charming city in southwestern Poland is known for its over 300 hidden dwarf statues scattered throughout the streets. Spotting these quirky figures has become a fun activity for visitors. Stroll through the market square, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and admire the Gothic town hall and the colorful buildings lining the square. Explore the picturesque Ostrotumski Dominican Island, the city's oldest district, and visit the impressive Wrocław Cathedral. Tatra Mountains. Escape to the majestic Tatra Mountains, Poland's highest mountain range. Zakopane, a popular resort town nestled within the mountains, offers stunning scenery, hiking trails, and traditional highland culture. Białowieża Forest. Explore the Białowieża Forest, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a primeval woodland known for its ancient trees and diverse wildlife, including the European bison, the continent's largest land mammal. Wieliczka Salt Mine. Delve into the depths of the Wieliczka Salt Mine, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offering a unique underground world with chambers carved from salt rock and a fascinating history. Malbork Castle, the largest medieval castle in Europe by area. Malbork was the headquarters of the Teutonic Knights, a German monastic chivalric order. Gdansk, a beautiful port city on the Baltic Sea, known for its historical center, Gothic architecture, and maritime heritage. Mazurian Lakeland, a region in northern Poland known for its thousands of lakes, forests, and charming towns. A great place for water activities, cycling, and relaxation. Auschwitz, a place of unimaginable horror. The Auschwitz-Birkenau Memorial and Museum is a former Nazi concentration camp where millions of people were murdered during World War II. Visiting this somber site is a crucial reminder of the atrocities of the Holocaust and a tribute to the victims. Zamość, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Zamość is a charming city renowned for its well-preserved Renaissance architecture. Explore the spacious market square, the Zamoyski family palace, and the beautiful collegiate church.